let it sit for like 10 minutes, and we're good to go. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Crazy chef, not a lazy chef. Big vibe. Today we're making creamy polenta. And as you see in the caption, we're making ton cornmeal. Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some butter in our water. We're gonna add some Spanish onions, some scallion, and some garlic. Then we're gonna add some coconut milk. Most people add cream, but because I'm an island boy, I'm adding coconut milk. So we add some coconut milk. A little Maggi vegetable flavoring. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And you wonder why we use olive oil is so the olive oil helps with like the tenderness of the cornmeal. Just for a vibe, I'm gonna add a little bit of that Crazy Chef green seasoning. I'm gonna add 3 cups of cornmeal. Then we just gotta so now we're just gonna gently stir. You don't want it to be too hard, you don't want it to be too soft. You just want to gently stir, and don't get scared if there's lumps. You just want to slowly stir it, and then you want to turn your flame down, right? Get it on a real low flame and just slowly stir it in. Get rid of all that lump. Crazy Chef, big vibe. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. If you want to support the channel, hit that like button. We bring the vibe. Crazy Chef, as they say, not a lazy chef. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more water, just because it's cornmeal and you want it to like steam. Then I'm gonna cover it on low and just let it vibe. Then I'm gonna add some cheese and some bell peppers, and then we'll come back and we'll see what the vibe's all about. Crazy Chef, always a vibe in the kitchen. Whether we doing the Yardman cornmeal, or we doing the Italian polenta, or in Romania they call it a weird M name. I can't pronounce it, but I'll write it in the description. Alright, so now for the final, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some bell peppers, right? And we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. We'll actually add plenty of cheese, a lot of Parmesan cheese, and then turn and stir. And that's the final part of our Italian polenta. And then we're gonna just add some chopped scallion, turn our flame off, cover it, let it sit for like 10 minutes, and we're good to go. Big vibe. Crazy Chef, always a vibe. And as they say, not a lazy chef. Look at that. That looks delicious. Look at that. That looks delicious. Big vibe. Look at that.